Let's unbox this guy. So let's get to the unboxing. Love it? I love it already. Whoa. Wait a minute. You hear that? Hi friends, welcome to Viktors Reality. Today we're going to be unboxing the Cyberpunk 2077 SteelSeries Arctis 1 wireless gaming headset for the Xbox One, Windows 10, and Android device. Let's begin. As you can see, I have the Johnny hand controller, so I had to keep it in the family, get the headset. Let's just see how well this performs. Now again, this is a limited edition Johnny Silverhand edition, and it goes together with the controller for your Xbox. So you can see here the Arctis 1 wireless, the included connectors, the USB-C wireless dongle, the USB charging cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, 4-pole 3.5mm connection, 2.4 GHz connection from Xbox to PC with the dongle, Android, and Switch. And here is the specifications of the headset, and it'll work with the Xbox, PC, Switch, and Android. It's game at home, featuring the proven SteelSeries 2.4 GHz wireless for lossless, ultra-low latency audio on the Xbox One and PC. Gaming on the go, take the same gaming-grade wireless audio on the go using the compact USB-C dongle with your Switch or Android device. Signature Arctis sound. The Arctis 1 wireless features the same high-performance speaker drivers as the Arctis 9X, giving you the signature Arctis sound designed to reveal every detail. I believe the other SteelSeries Cyberpunk headset uses the Arctis 7 drivers, so just be aware of that. And a Discord certified microphone. The ClearCast microphone uses a bidirectional design, the same used by aircraft carrier deck crews for superior noise cancellation. And it's ready. We're ready to rock. Let's unbox this guy. Arctis 1. Can't wait. Oh, look at that. Love it? I already love it. Just the box, I love it too. Talk about top-notch packaging. Everything looks cool. I'll look at the headset. Ooh, it's nice and light. Samurai, Cyberpunk, infos, no future, more logos, power button, 3.5mm, volume, and chat. And microphone. Wow, it's super light, like crazy light. Wow, padding feels sufficient. It's nice material. Here's the padding. So let's see what else we got. And we have here the cabling. So all the cables, two cables, 3.5, USB-C, and USB adapters. And here's the microphone and the USB wireless adapter. Nothing back here. Okay. And this guy is really hard to come off. Here's a microphone. Here's a dongle. You would connect this to your Xbox with the included adapter. So you connect this to that, this to your Xbox, makes it wireless, or connect this straight away into your phone so you can make it wireless. Also, same way with the Switch. Connect this to this and you got your wireless connections. And here's a microphone. You can put it closer to your mouth or away from your mouth, gets the job done. And now we'll do a microphone test with the included USB-C wireless adapter. Hi friends, welcome to Viktors Reality. Today we're going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Cyberpunk 2077 Arctis 1 wireless gaming headset. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future. As you can see, I have the wireless adapter connected to my S10 Plus, and I just recorded some sound bites so you can see the quality of the microphone. The microphone is about 2 inches away from my mouth, and everything sounds crystal clear on my end. Everything sounds crystal clear. This headset sounds amazing, connected wirelessly. I just had some music playing. Everything sounded crystal clear, no problems. The right amount of bass, the right amount of highs and mids, everything sounds great. And I'm comparing this to the Cloud Alpha S. The Cloud Alpha S does have a bit more bass. I want to say a small amount of more bass. But I mean, we have to compare it to something, and that's the other gaming headset that I have, the Cloud Alpha S and the Cloud 2s. And this SteelSeries is super light. It's lighter than the both of them. And it is made out of plastic. The whole body is made out of plastic. They just got a little bit of metal where you can adjust the headset, but everything is made out of plastic. But it's high quality, sturdy. Nothing's going to break. You got to take care of it, of course. Everything's high quality. Nothing's going to break. No creaking, no nothing. It is enough headband foam just because it's light. If it was any heavier, it would need more, but there are other ways you can increase the comfort of your headset. And the ear padding, they are soft and breathable, so you're not going to have any problems with sweat or anything like that. So as you can see, nice and slim design, goes perfect with the controller. That's a cool design. You can put it over your shoulders, keep it like that. It's a flat design. Look at that. They go together. Nice. Come on, you guys. Doesn't that look cool? That looks awesome. So again, looking at the padding here is nice and soft. It's a nice material. It's a nice breathable material. You can't go wrong with this kind of material. It is really soft and it's very light. I mean, it's really, really light. And here's the padding. It's sufficient padding because it's so light. The heavier headphones need more padding. This will get the job done because it's super light. So there you have it. This is the unboxing of the SteelSeries Cyberpunk 2077 Arctis 1 wireless gaming headset for the Xbox, PC, Android device, and the Switch. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did find the video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future.